This is the video guide dedicated to help you with getting rid of the malicious pop-up windows that are associated with the site aewbx.shop. aewbx.shop is a malicious website which may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This website, aewbx.shop, claims that your Google Chrome requires some urgent update. It says that Flash SD app is required to proceed. The reality is that this is a totally misleading alert, and interacting with it is extremely dangerous. We strongly urge you not to install any of such fake Flash SD app updates. These are fake updates, and they try to hijack your browser settings by making you install that extension. Now, don't tolerate these pop-ups. They may be the result of certain adware to be currently enabled in your computer. So, if you see these pop-ups, you should simply leave this page and don't install anything that is suggested by such pop-ups. We also recommend you to access the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, then Extensions. If you see any third-party extensions that were mistakenly installed into your Chrome, get rid of them. Finally, I recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.